Dr. Gurleen Sikka. I work as a consultant in Department of Pediatric and Neonatology here at CK Birla Hospital. Today I'll be discussing common myths associated with breastfeeding. First and foremost question the patient asks that do they have to take a plain diet when they are breastfeeding, because they associate that if the mother takes spicy food or takes turmeric, then the baby is having high chances of jaundice or gastric issues. That is not true. What we tell our mother is to have a balanced diet and make sure her hydration is adequate. The second myth associated is that breastfeed baby should be given water. Human milk is 87% water. So even if you are breastfeeding in a desert, your baby does not require additional water. The third thing associated is that if the mother is ill, she should not breastfeed the baby. Well, depending upon the clinical condition of the patient, the mother can breastfeed the baby if she's having fever or common cold and cough. In fact, we encourage the mother to breastfeed because the baby will also get the antibodies which the baby mother is actually making during that illness. Fourth point is that the mother should not take any medication during breastfeeding. Again, that is not true. Most of the over-the-counter medications are safe during breastfeeding, but yes, you should ask your gynac or physician before taking them. Fifth point is that the mother should wash the nipple before every breastfeed. Well, they have to maintain a normal hygiene like taking bath every day, but washing that area before every breastfeed is not mandatory. Sixth point is breastfeeding is hurtful. Sore nipples are inevitable. That is not true. You will obviously feel the slight tug when the baby is suckling, but with the correct latching and detachment techniques, you can know how to breastfeed. Then mothers come and ask, should I pump the feed and to see how much milk is produced? That is not mandatory. If it is a term baby with no inlets and the baby is with you, breastfeeding directly is a way to ensure. There are other techniques such as monitoring the urine or the weight which should be done, but pumping and artificially expressing the milk and then using a bottle to give it is not the way. The other point is that breastfeeding makes the breast sag. Well, pregnancy, hereditary factors, aging are the other factors associated with the sogging, but not breastfeeding. Another commonly believed thought is that in the initial days there is not enough milk. Well, the initial 3 days, the milk which is there, it is called colostrum, which is liquid gold, which is obviously smaller in amount and it has adequate fats and energy for the babies and less water, but it is full of antibody. You should surely give it. The other thing is that formula is better or is as good as breast milk. Breast milk, human milk is irreplaceable and it cannot be duplicated.